Hey, how are you guys? Happy Saturday. Are you having a good weekend? Did you do all the things I asked you to do this week? Did you follow directions? I guess I'll find out when I see you on Tuesday. So, all right, it is Saturday. I hope you're having a good day. It's the Apple Blossom Parade in my little hippie town. I did not go, but my daughter went. She said it was really fun. So maybe you went. Maybe you saw each other. Who knows? All right, so this week we're going to talk about social class and migration on Tuesday, and then we're going to talk about social class and nature slash environmental ed kind of stuff on Thursday. So I'm sticking this article in the module on migration, but I'm also putting it with this announcement. So you have it in two places. So please read it so that we can talk about it. How does social class affect migration? And then I'm going to ask us all to consider our own family's migration. So how we all came to be sitting in this space that we're in right now, and how maybe our social class related to that. So we'll do a little bit of that this week, okay? And in the module, there's also a really great, it's not a documentary, but it's called La Misma Luna, and it's just a really heartwarming, sad, happy, tragic, emotion-stirring film. And so it's not required, and we watched it in family class, but if any of you want to watch it, I think you'll probably get something good out of it. Just to kind of think about, as we're thinking about what's going on presently with people trying to travel north from, Central America and Mexico, you just know that, like, it's not an easy decision, and the struggles that go along with it are pretty hard, and people make difficult choices. So, anyways, I'll be checking in with you, and I hope you have a good rest of the weekend. And sorry, the dog's barking. We'll continue the conversation on Tuesday. I missed you last week, and I look forward to seeing you. Take care.